Welcome to the second lecture of GRE 3500 words vocab. The first word is abysmal. Abysmal means extremely bad. The synonyms of abysmal are terrible, awful, dreadful, horrible, atrocious, appalling, miserable, pathetic, lousy, dire. Antonyms of abysmal are excellent, wonderful, superb, outstanding, impressive, admirable, exceptional, remarkable, marvelous, and good. The second word is accretion. Accretion means the process of growth or enlargement by a gradual build-up. The synonyms of accretion are accumulation, build-up, enlargement, expansion, addition, augmentation, growth, accrual, aggregation, extension. Antonyms of accretion are decrease, reduction, decline, diminution, shrinkage, loss, contraction, deduction, erosion, drop. The next word is accrue. Accrue means increase, accumulate, or come about as a result of growth, accumulate over time. Example of accrue is interest will accrue if you keep your money in a saving account. The synonyms of accrue are accumulate, amass, collect, gather, build up, increase, grow, earn, acquire, aggregate. Antonyms of accrue are diminish, decrease, lessen, disperse, spend, waste, reduce, decline, forfeit, lose. The next word is adamant, which is an adjective. Adamant means impossible to persuade or unwilling to change an opinion or decision. The synonyms of adamant are stubborn, unyielding, firm, inflexible, resolute, determined, steadfast, immovable, unbending, relentless. Antonyms of adamant are flexible, yielding, soft, submissive, compliant, weak, agreeable, lenient, willing, pliable. The next word is admonish. Admonish is an verb. To tell somebody firmly that you do not approve of something that he or she has done. I warned him not to go too far. The synonyms of admonish are reprimand, scold, rebuke, reproach, warn, caution, chide, criticize, reprove, advise. Antonyms of admonish are praise, compliment, applaud, approve, endorse, encourage, laud, support, commend, cheer. The next word is adulterate, which is an verb. Adulterate means to debase or make impure. The synonyms of adulterate are contaminate, pollute, taint, degrade, dilute, corrupt, debase, spoil, weaken, defile. Antonyms of adulterate are purify, refine, cleanse, filter, clarify, improve, strengthen, enrich, enhance, sanitize. The next word is aesthetic. Aesthetic is an adjective. Aesthetic means a set of principles concerned with nature and appreciation of beauty. The synonyms of aesthetic are artistic, elegant, beautiful, attractive, tasteful, pleasing, refined, stylish, graceful, visual. The antonyms of aesthetic are unattractive, ugly, unappealing, tasteless, plain, inelegant, unpleasant, awkward, disagreeable, crude. The next word is affected. Affected is an adjective. Affected means pretentious or phony. The sentence of affected is, it has been argued that the emphasis on so-called proper English leads to unnatural and affected speech. The synonyms of affected are pretentious, artificial, insincere, feigned, contrived, staged, mannered, false, theatrical, showy. Antonyms of affected are genuine, natural, sincere, authentic, honest, real, unaffected, spontaneous, true, straightforward. So the next word is affinity. Affinity means fondness, liking, similarity. So the synonyms of affinity are liking, fondness, attraction, bond, rapport, sympathy, harmony, connection, closeness, resemblance. Antonyms of affinity are aversion, dislike, repulsion, hatred, indifference, alienation, hostility, opposition, coldness, disconnection. So the last word is adjunct. Adjunct means something added or not essential. Synonyms of adjunct are addition, supplement, attachment, accessory, appendage, complement, add-on, accompaniment, auxiliary, associate. Antonyms of adjunct are main, primary, chief, principal, essential, core, integral part, foundation.